Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I love using my extra fine paint marker from Deco Color. This is a really great quality paint pen. It's going to last you a while. Just make sure that you shake it before every use. And I just love the extra fine tip because it's great for writing. It is very opaque, so you might want to write on cardstock or something a little thicker, or it might bleed through. Or you can use it for wood. I love using paint pens on wood for drawing. You can also use it on canvas and so many different other applications. It's a really great way to get your creative juices flowing. So if you're looking for a great quality paint marker, definitely check out Deco Color. They have different color options to choose from, different tip thicknesses, and you'll be amazed with the quality and how long it will last you. But that's just my point of view.